Hello everyone, welcome to Crazy Cars. Today, we're diving into an exciting new Jeep model that's set to redefine off-road electric vehicles, the 2026 Jeep Recon. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on the latest car reviews. Now, let's get into it. The 2026 Jeep Recon is Jeep's bold step into the world of fully electric off-roaders. Inspired by the legendary Jeep Wrangler, the Recon aims to deliver a rugged, trail-ready EV that doesn't compromise on Jeep's core DNA. It's designed to take on challenging terrains while offering modern tech, sustainability, and a quieter yet powerful driving experience. With its boxy stance, removable doors, and high ground clearance, the Recon is unmistakably Jeep. However, what sets it apart is the fully electric powertrain that promises instant torque, zero emissions, and adventure-ready performance. At first glance, the 2026 Jeep Recon looks like the perfect combination of classic Jeep styling and futuristic electric vehicle technology. Its squared-off fenders, large off-road tires, and 7-slot illuminated grille make it instantly recognizable. Unlike the Wrangler, the Recon features a more aerodynamic design, improving efficiency while maintaining ruggedness. It retains Jeep's signature removable doors and roof, allowing drivers to experience the great outdoors with an open-air feel. LED headlights and taillights, underbody protection, and rugged skid plates enhance both aesthetics and functionality. Under the hood, well, technically under the chassis, the Jeep Recon is powered by a fully electric drivetrain. While Jeep hasn't released exact horsepower and torque figures yet, it's expected to produce around 600 horsepower with dual-motor AWD capability. This means instant torque delivery, superior traction, and effortless performance on even the toughest trails. The Recon is built on Stellantis Saint-Lo large EV platform, which is engineered for rugged applications while maximizing battery efficiency. One of the key concerns with off-road EVs is range, but Jeep has ensured the Recon is well prepared. It comes equipped with a large capacity battery, providing an estimated range of 300+ miles on a full charge. The fast charging capability allows 10 to 80% charge in about 30 minutes, making it practical for long journeys and off-road adventures. Additionally, Jeep has optimized its region braking system, which helps recharge the battery while descending hills or braking on trails. Off-road capability is where Jeep truly shines, and the Recon doesn't disappoint. It comes standard with Jeep's Select Terrain system, which offers multiple drive modes, including rock, sand, snow, and mud. The dual-motor setup provides electronic locking differentials, ensuring maximum grip on uneven surfaces. Thanks to its high ground clearance and aggressive approach to departure angles, the Recon can tackle steep inclines and deep ruts with ease. A water-fording ability of around 30 inches ensures it can handle streams and muddy trails effortlessly. For those who love rock crawling, Jeep has equipped the Recon with an advanced crawl ratio and torque vectoring system, making slow-speed maneuvers more controlled. Skid plates, tow hooks, and all-terrain tires further enhance its trail-ready nature. Unlike traditional gas-powered Jeeps, the Recon's instant electric torque means there's no delay in power delivery, providing a smoother and more predictable off-road experience. Inside, the 2026 Jeep Recon blends rugged durability with modern technology. The cabin features high-quality materials, waterproof upholstery, and a minimalist yet functional design. A large 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system dominates the dashboard, running Jeep's latest Uconnect 5 software. It includes wireless, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and off-road navigation, allowing drivers to explore remote locations without losing their way. One of the coolest features is the Trail View camera system, which provides a 360-degree view of the terrain, helping drivers navigate tricky obstacles. The digital instrument cluster displays essential off-road data like pitch and roll angles, tire pressure, and battery range. Jeep has also added removable Bluetooth speakers, perfect for campsite entertainment. Heated and ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and ambient lighting add a touch of luxury to this rugged SUV. Safety has always been a priority for Jeep, and the 2026 Recon comes packed with advanced driver assistance features. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision warning all come standard. The advanced trail assist system helps drivers maintain control on steep descents, adjusting power and braking for a smoother off-road experience. The biggest question: how much will the 2026 Jeep Recon cost? While Jeep hasn't confirmed official pricing, Industry experts estimate it will start at around $60,000 for the base model, with higher trims reaching $75,000 or more depending on battery size, off-road upgrades, and luxury features. This pricing places it in competition with Rivian R1S, Ford Bronco Raptor, and GMC Hummer EV SUV. So, is the 2026 Jeep Recon worth it? Absolutely. For Jeep fans who want the ultimate off-road EV experience, the Recon delivers. It maintains Jeep's rugged DNA while embracing the future of electrification. With its powerful electric motors, long range, cutting-edge tech, and unbeatable off-road capability, it's set to revolutionize the electric SUV segment. Whether you're tackling rocky trails, cruising through the city, or camping in the wilderness, the Recon offers a blend of adventure and sustainability like never before. That wraps up our in-depth review of the 2026 Jeep Recon. What do you think? Is this the electric Jeep you've been waiting for? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Crazy Cars for more exciting car reviews. See you in the next one.